Hello students, today I am going to teach you a new topic which is named mail merge. What is mail? You all know that. What is mail? The message which you are sending digitally to all the pupils, that is known as mail. And what is mail merge? What is mail merge? Mail merge is used to send that same basic letter, that same basic mail, whichever you are sending to number of pupils, that is known as mail merge. At the same time, you are sending that same mail at the same time, that known as mail merge. So we will start from our book. First part is introduction. Introduction to mail merge. Suppose there are 39 students in our class and you want to invite all of them for a function. Then you will create a mail in the mail which has an invitation. So you have to type 39 different letters. Do you want to type 39 different letters to invite your friends? No, we don't want to type 39 letters. In that place, we will use the technique of mail merge. Surely not you can use the mail merge feature of MS Word. Mail merge is used to send the same basic letter to number of people. A list of names and addresses of the people whom the letter is to be sent is different. The letter which is sent to number of peoples, and you know that number of people have different letters or addresses to be sent. The address list is prepared in MS Word, but it can also be obtained from MS Excel or MS Access. You can type that address list in MS Excel or MS Access. You can create that list, address list. Components of mail merge. What are the components of mail merge? The process of mail merge requires the following. First is main document, second is data source, and third is merged document. Main document. What is the main document? The document that contains the main contents or text which is to be sent. What is the main content? The main content is your letter, your invitation letter, whatever you want to send to that number of pupils. That letter or text is your main content or a main document. What is data source? The file where all the addresses of the recipients are stored. That file where all the addresses of the recipient whom you want to send that letter, that address list is your data source which you had created in MS Excel or MS Access. Merged document. Merged means to combine that main document and data source. The result when the main document is merged with the data source, a third document is created, is called merged document. It is the combination of main document and data source. You can write this definition also. You can learn this definition also. What is a merged document? It is a combination of main document and data source. The process of combining the main document and data source is called merging, and this process which is combining the main document and data source is known as merging. Steps followed for using mail merge are: mail merge involves the following three steps. First is creating main document, second is creating data source, and third is merging main document and data source. Now the question arises, what are the advantages of mail merge? Why we are using mail merge? First advantage is one standard letter can be created and sent to all customers without having to add each name and address manually. First advantage is, you know that we don't have to create lots of different letters with the name of that friend, that particular recipient, or address of that particular recipient manually. That helps with, we can create this letter with the help of mail merge. So this is the biggest advantage. We don't have to create lots of different letters with different names. Second is, it looks as though the letter has been written to the individual person. The letter which looks like just you had typed that particular letter to individual person. This is the biggest advantage. The letter looks like you had created that particular letter to an individual person. They don't know you are sending that same letter to number of people. It is very fast way to produce hundreds of personalized letters. So this process is very fast. What are the disadvantages? You know that everything has an advantage. It should be a disadvantages also. Letters can lack the personal touch. Personal touch means you cannot able to mention in that particular letter to for a particular person, about a particular person. आप उस particular person के बारे में उस particular letter में नहीं लिख सकते. So there is a lack of personal touch. The database that provides the information for the mail merge letter must be kept up to date if it is going to be useful. The database that provides information for the mail merge letter must be kept up to date if it is going to be useful. So your letter should be up to date if you are typing that letter for a mail merge. Mail merge is a word processing procedure. You know that you are typing your main document on your Word, MS Word. So it is a word processing procedure which enables you to combine a document with a data file, and you are creating data file also, and you are combining that main document and data file. Data file is an address list. You are combining both of them. That makes your mail merge. Next is apply mail merge feature to generate document. Organizations communicate with customers throughout their day-by-day operations. Organizations are using this process of mail merge. Why they are using? They want to communicate with their customers day-by-day operations. Communication can take different forms. How many communications are there? Like welcome letter, special announcements, thank you emails, and invoices, to name just a few. You had seen your mail if you had purchased one product to any shop or any organization, and when you had written your email and you had given that email to that organization, they will continuously mail you with their updated operations, like special announcements. If they had created some offers for you, they will mail you. They are not mailing only you, they are mailing that particular letter, that announcement, to number of customers. So they are using the mail merge process. They are creating one announcement letter or one document, and they are sending to number of pupils at a same time. The mail merge feature is MS Word can help organization to produce various forms of written communication more efficiently. You know that MS Word is has a feature of mail merge. It will help you to communicate with your customers or communicate more efficiently. With the mail merge process, your organization can create a batch of personalized letters or emails to send to your professional contacts. You can use this mail merge features for a professional organizations or professional work also. Each letter or email can include both standard and custom contents. Custom contents means you can change that content with as per your requirements. You can choose, for example, to greet each recipient by the first name, use their mailing address, or add unique information like a membership number. All these informations you can add or you can choose in mail merge. All the informations you use to customize the letters or emails is taken from entries in your data source, which can a mailing list. With the combination of your letter or email and a mailing list, you can create a mail merge document that send out bulk mail to specific people or to all people on your mailing list. You can also create and print mailing labels and envelopes by using mail merge. So these all features are included in mail merge. You can also create mailing labels and envelopes also by using mail merge. You can communicate with your customers as per your requirements with many features. How to create main document? What are the steps of creating main document? You know that at first open MS Word. You know that how to open MS Word. You have to click on the start button, go to MS Office, all programs, then MS Office, then MS Word. You have to choose MS Word. Your document will be created. So this is the first step. Second step is start by selecting mailing tab and then select mail merge. You had typed the letter in your Word document. Then you have to click on the mailing tab. In 2007 Word, there is a mailing tab above your menu bar. Above your screen, above your document, there is a mailing tab. There is an option Start Mail Merge. You have to choose Start Mail Merge. The mail merge will be appear on the right side of your screen. That pane will be appear. You can see in your book also there is a pane wizard, which is known as wizard also. Now proceed by selecting step by step mail merge wizard. Third step is you have to click on step by step mail merge wizard, and there are 6 steps. Step number 4. After selecting above option, a mail merge task pane appear on the right side of your document. Proceed by clicking on select letters option, then select the next start document. First option is on your pane, that wizard is you have to choose the letter. Choose letter option, then click on the next button. Then click on the use current document, because you are creating your letter to send your friend. You are using the current document. So choose current document. This is step number 2 of your mail merge. Then next, after this you will be asked to select the document for which you would like to use mail merge feature of MS Word. So use the current document and select the recipient option. Then we have to create, now third step is we have to create the data source. So our next option is creating data source. We will see in book. Look here, creating the data source. How you are creating the data source? You know that you have to create the recipient addresses. Now you are supposed to select the recipients of your letter document. Step to create the data source are, since the data source is being created for the first time, select type a new list. You have to click on the third step is type a new list. Then click on the next option. Next, click on create new address list. You have to click on the create option. When you will click on the create option, your box will be appear, dialog box will be appear. Enter the address information in the new address list dialog box. Now you have to mention the address of that recipient. The details for the recipient are to be added in the dialog box. There are options of the recipients to add addresses, name, email address, all that information you have to enter in that text box. To enter the details of the next recipient, proceed by clicking on new entry. If you had created first entry, if you want to create more entries, you have to click on the new entry option. The second row and column will be created. If you had created your list, number of list, then the last option is to finish. Click on OK button. Then you have to click on the OK button. Your address list will be created. Next option is, after this, save dialog box will be appear. Then you have to save these lists. Now enter the name you want to give your data source and then click on the save option. You know that how to save your document. You have to click on the save option. The dialog box will be appear. Choose the name, give the name whatever you want to save that document. Click on the save option. Now the mail merge recipient window includes the detail of the recipient entered by you. Now all the details are entered in your dialog box in your recipient list. By selecting the checkbox against the recipient, add the desired recipient to the main document. You have to click on these checkbox whenever you are adding the desired recipient to your main document. To close the window, click on OK button. Then click on the OK button to close this dialog box. Now to write your letter, click on next, write on your letter. Then the next option is merging the main document and data source. How you can merge? If the letters has been already typed by you, it can be typed now. Step 1. Click the desired place wherever recipient details should be appear. Now you have to click on the more items, more option. Whenever you will create on more option, this dialog box will be created. Next, select the address block. Now select whatever the informations you want to enter in your main document. Choose the format in which you would like to be recipient name to appear. You can choose the formats also. Finish the click on the OK button. Click on the OK button. At the cursor position, the address block appear. Wherever your cursor will be appear on your main document, the address block will be appear there. Last is to view and print the merged document. How you can merge your document, and you can see that print option. With the print option, select the next. You have to click on the next. Preview your letter option. Click on the preview your letter option. You can see your letter preview. The name of the first recipient selected by you appears in the document. The first recipient will be appear on your document. Here you can see that this is your first recipient. To go through all the letters that you can have been merged, proceed by clicking on the arrows under preview your letter. You can click on this next button, arrow button. You can see the next recipients on your document. To fully complete the merge, select the complete the merge. When you had seen your all the recipients name, you can click on the complete merge option. To take the print out of the letter, click on print. You know that how to take out the print of your letter. If you want to print out, take a print out of this document, click on the print option. Your printout will be come out from your printing machine or a printer. So this is all about mail merge. Hope you understand this chapter. Now our task is to do these exercises and these question answers. All we had done in Google Meet class, all these question answers we had already discussed in Google Meet class. You can see in WhatsApp whatever we had done, the answers of these questions. Okay class, thank you.